I would like to briefly demonstrate the Data Customer Portal. This is an online web portal that allows you to see an overview of our rating of your infrastructure and some detail about our relationship with you. There could be a couple of ways in which you are presently engaging with us. You could be an existing customer where we have already performed some setup on your system, or you could be a new customer to Data and are wishing to access the portal for the first time. If this were the case, then we would not have set up your system to fully integrate with ours as yet. In this tutorial, we are looking at connecting to our portal where your system has been set up to make the process a little simpler. If you are sitting at a computer that has been set up by us, and we have associated the computer with your organization in our system, then you simply need to press the F11 key. This opens the end user portal. From here you have access to a few features, but the one I'm covering today is the customer portal, so I'm going to click Company Audit to open it up. You will see at the top that it welcomes you to confirm that you are logged in as the right person and are viewing the audit for the correct company. Underneath that section there is a key which describes the icons that we use to evaluate your system. To open a section, we simply single click on it and you will see that this section shows quotations and pro forma invoices from us that are awaiting approval from you to proceed with orders. In a similar way, the next section shows you the recurring orders that you have with us, which can include monthly, annual and biannual orders such as internet connections, domain name renewals and help desk and maintenance services agreements. The date shown is the next date that they will be invoiced to you. Next is the FAQ section. Here are links to frequently asked questions about working with data, including documents to read and other video tutorials like this one. Every other section, except the last one, is our assessment of your infrastructure. If you expand a section, you will see that we have answered useful questions about your system, which we rate with the icons to the right. A question can be answered by us with a green tick, a pass, a yellow exclamation mark, a warning, or a red cross, a failure. A pass is an indication that everything is as we recommend. A warning suggests that it is not entirely as we recommend. It could be that you are using a provider or equipment that is acceptable but is not our recommended provider or solution. A failure is something that is completely against our recommendation, and we suggest that we discuss this as soon as possible. If you click the icons to the right, you will see that a window pops up to give you more information about why you have received this rating and, if necessary, how to improve the rating. In every section, there are some questions which we can only answer in text. For example, in this section, we provide you with the details to connect to your wireless network. The last section is devices. At Data, we document all of the devices that we support, and even some that we don't, so that we have all of the information to hand to support you and your infrastructure. Every device has a support tag affixed to it with a unique number that we use to reference the device. This section shows all of those numbers and the type of support that that device receives from us. We frequently enhance this portal to include further information that may be useful to you. Our news pages will contain information about updates to the portal, so please have a look now and again. We will also be notifying about updates to this and much more through our Twitter and Facebook pages. Thanks for listening.